Hi everybody, my name is Rio. Today we are going to learn about the lesson 6.4, polar coordinate. Today we are going to focusing on converting polar coordinate. As we know, we can represent a plot on a graph, use x, y. But today we are going to learn a new form, is r theta. We call the xy form as rectangular form and the r theta form as polar form. So how do we represent the polar form on the graph? You can see that this point is r theta, and the horizontal value of this point is x. The vertical value of this point is y, and the direct distance from 0 to this point is r, and the angle there is theta. So how do we actually convert it from xy to r theta? There's a formula. R is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. Theta is equal to tangent inverse of y over x. Can we do it reversely? Sure we can. X is equal to r times cosine theta, and y is equal to r times sine theta. So every time if we know one of these two forms, we can convert it to another form. Okay, let's look at some example. I write the formula here for the convenience that we can just see it. Example 1 is converting -2 to polar form. As we can see the formula here, we can just convert it from xy to r theta. We take the point and put it in the formula. R is equal to -2 squared plus 2 squared, and we take a square root of it. It became 2 square root of 2. Theta is equal to tangent inverse of 2 over -2 is equal to tangent inverse of -1. We can write it in radian form is equal to -pi/4, or the degree form -45 degrees. But we still need to find all four forms for this polar coordinate. How do we find this? We have learned in last lesson, so I'm not going to talk about it again. Example 2 is says converting 490 degrees to rectangular form. How do we do this? The formula is here. X is equal to r times cosine theta, and y is equal to r times sine theta. So we take the point into the formula. X is equal to 4 times cosine 90 degrees. We know that cosine 90 degrees is equal to 0. So our x value is 0. And y is equal to 4 times sine 90 degrees, equal to 4 times 1, becomes 4. And so our answer for this question is 0, 4. So today's lesson is all about the converting polar coordinates. I hope that you will like it. Excuse me if I have anything like wrong or mistake. Bye. See you next time.